Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share some essential international travel tips for beginners. Whether you're planning your first trip abroad or just looking to brush up on your travel skills, these tips will help you have a smooth and enjoyable journey. First and foremost, make sure you have a valid passport. Check the expiration date well in advance to avoid any last-minute stress. Research your destination thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with the local customs, traditions, and laws. This will help you navigate the new environment with ease and show respect to the locals. It's important to pack smart. Leave unnecessary items behind and focus on essentials. Check the weather at your destination and pack accordingly. Don't forget important travel documents, medication, and a universal adapter for your electronic devices. Next, save money by booking your flights and accommodations in advance. Look for budget-friendly options and compare prices to find the best deals. Embrace the local cuisine for a more authentic experience and avoid expensive tourist traps. While planning your itinerary, be realistic about the number of activities you can fit in a day. Allow for some downtime to immerse yourself in the local culture, explore hidden gems, and relax. Stay connected with your loved ones and inform them about your travel plans. Keep a copy of important documents in both physical and digital formats. Traveling internationally can be overwhelming, so don't forget to take care of your health. Stay hydrated, get enough rest, and protect yourself from the sun. Don't be afraid to ask for help or directions if you need them. Lastly, embrace uncertainty and have an open mind. Traveling is all about new experiences and exploring different cultures. So, be willing to step out of your comfort zone and make beautiful memories. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found these international travel tips helpful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventure inspiration. Happy travels!